I'm in this creek looking for some points today. First washout we've had in months. And so far, I got this nice little point. Some real cool material, different. And sometimes I find stuff right here on this little gravel bar. And I got a video of this exact same thing. I was walking the gravel down, and I'm gonna walk the water back up. But I was walking the gravel and I got to the edge of the water, and I looked over. I can find it right there. Man, just glanced over in the water. I was gonna save that for the way back. But check out that little sweetie. Man. Oh yeah, brother. Man, that is a killer. Wow. I love this creek. Man, this is one creek I can usually get live action on if I try, but I think I'm just gonna keep on looking quietly. Damn, that's a good one. Alright. See what else I can get out of here. Dropping shit out of my bag. Here's a little one I found a little few yards up. Alright, gonna keep looking.